Hello everyone. On today's video I'm gonna show you how I made this wall macrame hanging. So for this project I used 3mm cotton cord in a green color. I used a wooden bead and some macrame beads. I cut 4 pieces of rope or cord and they measure 108 inches. Then I folded in half and did a large head knot on the wooden ring. So for this wall hanging, all I'm gonna do is double half hitch knot. So here I took my left cord and then I took my second cord from left to right and I did half hitch knot on a diagonal way. So here you can see they met on the middle, so I'm going to continue doing double half hitch knot going towards the left, and then I'm going to do them towards the right, and you're gonna see it's gonna form like an X. So now I'm going to take the 4 cords in the middle and I am going to insert a macrame bead, and this is going to be right in the center of the macrame hanging. So now I'm going to take my left cord and I'm going to do the same thing I did to start this macrame. I'm going to do double half hitch knot all the way to the center, and then I'm going to do the same thing on the right side where they're going to meet. And this is the same pattern or the same knot you're going to do on this macrame hanging. So now I cut 6 inches of cord. I folded in half and did large head knot on the sides of the macrame. Then when I'm done, I'm going to fringe all those cord and brush them. You're gonna see later on. So here I'm going to use my pet brush and I'm going to brush all those cord, and then I'm going to cut them and give them a little shape, ready to be hung. So guys, here's the finished macrame. Hope you like this video. Remember to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Be safe everyone.